Question 16 just asks us to use the factor theorem to show that these two brackets are factors. So the factor theorem just means put the numbers through. So you need to put a number 1 through from this one here. So all you've got to do is substitute 1 into the cubic equation. So 1 cubed is 1 minus 21 times 1 is 21 plus 20, and that should always be 0 if it's a factor, which it is. And the next number that it asks us to put in is 4 from this bracket here. 4 cubed is 64, minus 21 times 4 is 84, plus 20, and again that is equal to 0. Question 16b, you've got to do the same thing except you've got a different cubic, so you do the same thing, shove 1 through. So you get 1 minus 10 plus 29 minus 20, and hopefully that is 0, which it is. And then you do the same thing with the 4. 4 cubed is 64 minus 4 squared is 16 times 10 is 160 plus 29 times 4 is 30, 60, 90, 120, which is 116 minus 20, and again hopefully that is 0, which it is. It's 180 minus 180. Question C asks you to simplify the fraction. It's got a cubic on the top and a cubic on the bottom. It's part C and it says hence. So A must be the top of that, which has got an x minus 1 and x minus 4. And the denominator must be this one here from the previous question, which also has an x minus 1 and an x minus 4. So the top must factorise in x minus 1, x minus 4, and another one. And the denominator must also factorise in x minus 1, x minus 4, and another factor. All we've got to do is work out what the factor is. Now if you have a look at the number without the x on, which is a 20, that the number here, and the number here, and the number here all need to multiply together to make plus 20. Now if we do minus 1 times minus 4, that gives us plus 4. So to get from plus 4 to plus 20, you times by 5. If you have a look at the denominator here, you need to make minus 20. So on the denominator, minus 1 times minus 4 is plus 4. So what we need to multiply is minus 5. Now to factorise and simplify fully, your x minus 1's cancel, your x minus 4's cancel, so your final answer is x plus 5 divided by x minus 5.